I'm Damien with the Untamed Society. I have a 2025 Nissan Pro-4X, and I got this bullet point mounting solutions for up on top of the dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here for you. See, it's packaged well. GoPro mounting base. Not sure what this is. Oh, okay, so this is the phone mounting base. Oh, cool, it's got little stickers with it for the magnetic, for the iPhone magnet one. For it. And here's a little ball mounting for the arm extender. Another sticker. Looks like more instructions. Let's see. Oh, cool. Comes with a bunch of tools. Got a little pry, bolts, Allen wrenches, little wrench, little screwdriver, even a drill bit. Well, that's pretty impressive. And here's the RubiGrid. Dang. Heavy duty. Just got the little emblem in there. Alright, I'm excited. Alright, so the first thing the instructions said is pull this little foam mat out. Then it says to use their prying bar that they gave with you to pop out this plastic piece. Pry this out. So it doesn't show any pictures, but some of it's already loose. How about them apples? Alright, well that was pretty damn easy. Alright, so step 2 says to remove the 7 screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with this little tool it gave you. But I think I'm going to use my Makita, to do that. Nice and easy. I'll put the screws inside here. Right. After removing them 7 screws, which are fine threads too, so be careful if you do use a power tool, you don't strip them or damage them. Use a power tool that has a pressure sensitive trigger. With the plastic dash tray removed and the RubiGrid mount separated, place the base portion of the RubiGrid mount on the dash tray. Just put them over here. All right, so it doesn't notate in here what properly aligned, but just based off the photos that it gives, it's slid all the way to the deep part on the back here. So that's what I'm gonna do because it holds tight right there. And it says score the Y, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So the ones around the 2 next to the little American flag and the 2 underneath of it. So go hold that tight there. 2, 3, 4. Then it says score plastic with the 4 holes located marked. Remove the RubiGrid from the tray and use the included drill bit to carefully drill the 4 holes marked for installation. Here's your drill bit. Good enough for government work. See them all? Yep, I can see them. So then it just wants me to drill through them. So let me slide everything over. I'm gonna throw this box up here so I don't pop through and drill through my table on accident. And just saying, there's nothing underneath that spot there either to worry about. Technically, I could probably just drill it with it in place. I just left it in place when I did it. It's easier than marking and trying to line them up and then have a one-off. Okay. Then, a little static buildup here. Next, it says, with the 4 holes located, okay, using this applied bolts, washers, and nylon nuts, attach the lower section of the RubiGrid base to the tray using the 4 new holes. All right, so it's like these ones. I'm assuming it's these. All right, so next, after you put the base into the plastic, it says reinstall it, and then use the self-tapping screws and the provided screwdriver to mount the rest. I think that's all the clicks, right? Yeah, okay. I know everyone's like, dude, just do what the instructions say, but I'm like, dude, I don't want to. Temporary put this up here. All right, just like, oh yeah, look at that. That is good looking. Then let's see where these go. I guess like this. So that'll generally be like this. I'll put my phone mount. I guess somewhere up here. So like this. All right, so I'm good with that. I'll probably just snug it close to this edge here. And then the GoPro mount I'll probably just put right here, kind of towards the center. Wait, can I go in this? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I'll just go right in the center with the GoPro mount. All right, so I mounted that, and I mounted the GoPro now because I use the GoPro Session. I just want to make sure it wasn't gonna hit my windshield, which it doesn't. So now it says to put these little screws in, which I will use the hand tools for this one. This is the original 7 screws I took out in the beginning. Get that off there. All right. Now let's get the ball on there. All right, man. I really like. Get it tightened down enough where I can maneuver it. There we go. Okay. So put it like this. That right there. Tighten them down. All right, that's all tightened down. Can move with this. I think it's gonna, I mean, you know, like even for just like cool points for me, gives it a more rugged look. Also, I can add accessories later if I want to it. Looks like they got a lot of cool stuff. I even saw these in different colors, which I didn't even notice until after the fact. I would have got red ones to match my interior of my truck. All right, that's it. I got it all installed up there. If you look through the windshield, you can see it there. Heck yeah. So overall, I think the quality was way better than I expected. Everything's solid. I'm not saying I expected super cheap, but you know how it is these days. You buy something and most stuff's coming in cheap plastics. One piece is metal, but everything else is like easily stripped out garbage. So, but this is pretty good.